In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Outlook. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once you're inside the app, make sure you're in the Mail section. This is the area where you can view your inbox, compose messages, and manage everything related to email. If Outlook opens somewhere else, simply switch over to Mail so you can begin creating your message. Next, click New Mail to open a new email window. This is where you'll put together the message you want to send. In the email window, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Take a moment to double-check that the address is correct, since sending an attachment to the wrong person can be easy to do if there's a small typo. You can also add a subject line and write your message before attaching the file, which helps keep everything organized and professional. After that, look for the Insert option near the top of the message window and click it. This menu gives you tools for adding extra content to your email, including files. From there, click Attach File. Outlook may show you a list of recent files or give you the option to browse your computer. If you already see the file you want, you can select it right away. If not, choose the option to locate it manually. Now, browse through your folders and find the file you want to attach. Once you've located it, click on the file and confirm the selection so Outlook adds it to your email. You should then see the file appear in the message, usually below the subject line, or in the attachment area. That lets you know the file has been successfully added. Before you send the email, it's a good idea to quickly review everything. Make sure the correct file is attached, the recipient's email address is accurate, and your message is complete. This simple check can save you time and prevent mistakes, especially if you're sending important documents. And that's all it takes to attach a file in Outlook. As long as you open Outlook, go to Mail, create a new message, and use the Insert and Attach File options to locate your document, you'll be able to send attachments with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you follow the process clearly and easily.